In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create performance form in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see the navigation sidebar where different areas of Zoho People are listed. Locate Performance in that left sidebar and click it. This takes you into the Performance Management area where appraisals and performance-related tools are managed. Next, look across the top menu within the Performance section and click Settings. Settings is where you control how your performance process is structured, including forms, modules, and configuration options. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the correct settings area can save time, especially if your account has multiple HR features enabled. Inside Settings, select Performance Modules or Appraisal. The exact label can vary slightly depending on how your Zoho People account is set up, but you are looking for the section that lets you manage appraisal forms and performance form templates. Once you open that area, you should see options related to creating or editing forms. Now click the plus Add Form button. In some accounts, you may instead see a Customize Form button. Either option will bring you to the Form Builder interface, where you can design what employees and reviewers will fill out during the performance process. In the Form Builder, you will see a panel on the left with different components you can add. Drag and drop the components you need into the form layout. Specifically, add KRA, competencies, and goal from the left panel. As you place each component, pay attention to the order since that affects the flow of the appraisal. Keeping related sections grouped together can make the form easier to complete and review. When you are satisfied with the form structure and the components are in place, go to the top right corner and click Save. Saving locks in your changes so the form can be used as part of your performance or appraisal process. After saving, it is a good practice to quickly review the form layout to ensure everything appears as expected. That covers everything you need to know.